Merry Christmas 2014.
What's your name?
Michael.
How old are you?
6.
What school do you go to?
St. Charles.
What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
And what's your teacher's name?
Mrs. Bartholomew.
Please tell me the story of the very first Christmas.
Here's sweet Mary and here's kind Joseph.
She rides.
She rides while he walks on the Bethlehem journey. Here the angels so knock at the door, but the innkeeper says, no room for more. But because you're tired and late in the day, you may go to the stable and sleep on the cocoon. And there in the manger that first Christmas morn, Jesus our Savior, God's Son, was born.
Beautiful. Please sing your favorite Christmas song.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey.
So cute. Do you have a special message for your parents?
I love you, Mom and Dad. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.